how to delete a blank page in Word. So this is a question that many people ask me, especially when they are working with longer documents and suddenly encounter that unknown blank page at the end or in the middle of the document. So the step number one, guys, is identifying the blank page. Open your document, so your Word document right here, and scroll to find the blank page. It's a shortcut that can show you the paragraphs. So you have to press Ctrl+Shift+8. This shows non-printing characters like paragraph marks and page breaks. So as you can see, this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph. Anyway, as you can see, that there is a paragraph right here, and that doesn't make any sense. So if you see a paragraph mark on a blank page, it means there's an extra paragraph causing it. If you see a page break or section break symbol, that's likely the culprit. Okay, so let's suppose there in the another page that is causing an extra page showing that. Okay, so what you have to do is just press backspace, not the delete page, the delete key, but the backspace key. This will remove the extra paragraph and delete the blank page. And after doing this, the blank page should disappear. Sometimes a blank page can also be caused by a small layout issue, such as an extra space at the end of the document or formatting problem. So here's how you can adjust the layout. Go to Layout, up here, and go on Margins, Settings. Check the margin settings. If the margins are too wide, this could push the content onto a blank page. So check the spacing options under the paragraph to make sure there is no extra space at the end of the document that may be causing a blank page. You can go Custom Margins, and here you can see all of that.
So the second way, select the page you want to delete, and now you will press delete. Okay, press the key delete. Maybe for you it doesn't work yet, so let's go to the third way. You go to View, and you're gonna click on Navigation Panel. Okay, and now click on Pages, and you can select the page that you want to delete and press delete. It worked for me, but if none of these methods worked for you, don't worry, I will show you another way. You're gonna write something, okay, for example, and write any word, any sentence. Now you select the sentence or the words you wrote here, and you keep it up, okay, your mouse that way. Okay, as you can see, I also select the page above, okay, the first page here. So now I will press backspace or delete.
Once you've deleted the blank page, give your document a final once over to make sure everything looks good. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, leave your like and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.